My name is Adrian Peticilă. I am from the University of Agronomic Science and Veterinary Medicine in Bucharest, Horticulture Faculty, and I'm very glad to be here with you at that interesting and useful workshop. Unfortunately, we can be together face to face, but let's take advantage of technology and present my paper between cooperation of our university and with specialized companies in ICT. Let me introduce in a few words our university, and after I will present free cooperation with which company in ICT. Our university is the oldest university and the largest institution in higher agronomic education in Romania, founded in 1852. And in 2010, we accredited our programs of study with high level of academic trust classification. Our university are around 11,000 students in 7 faculties, which 23 bachelor science study programs and 29 master science programs, and two doctoral school. We have 52 Erasmus agreements and 29 international framework agreements. In the research and development and innovation, our university has 12 research centers and 3 research and development stations. Our faculty was established in 1948, is the oldest specialized higher education in Romania, around 1,000 students, which two specialized in the cycle 1, horticulture and landscaping, which 4 specialized in the cycle 2, master sciences studies, integrated technology for the production of high quality horticultural products, management of biodiversity conservation, organic horticultural sciences, and wine making, marketing and management. Our faculty has 2 departments, bioengineering, horticultural and viticultural system, and landscaping, biodiversity and ornamental horticulture, how I say. So, of our university, directly coordinating by our horticulture faculty, we have 3 research stations, and you can see below this map the geographical position of these 3 section research institutes. We are here in Bucharest. The first is Mara Domnească Didactic and Research farm at 20 kilometers from Bucharest, and the other two are in the Buzău County. The first is Istrița Fruit Tree Nursery and Farm, and also Pietroasa Research and Development Center for wine cultivation and wine making. So let's have some words about Pietroasa, and it's around 2,000 hectares of sunny hill, which full of history. Here we do research and development in viticulture, enology, and wine chemistry. We do some production of grape wine planting material. We do breeding of wine and table grapes varieties like Otilia, Timpuriu of Pietroasa or Centenar. And really, believe me, we have best wine, academic wine. Istrița Nursery and Fruit Farm, it's located also in Bucharest country, around 300 hectares, and produce and marketing of fruit planting material like apple, plum, cherry, and another species, with improvement of fruit tree propagation technique and application of modern technology in the fruit growing. Moara Domnească and the last research with the last research farm, it's not more close from Bucharest, which around 600 hectares of tree, stone fruit cereals and seed crops plots. We do some research, and it's an important center where we can make the practice with the students. Let's present you the 3 specialized companies in ICT that cooperated with University of Agronomic Science and Medicine Veterinary of Bucharest. Siswin Solution is the first, Terra Signa is the second, and N10 is the third. Siswin Solution, it's research and development performing medium-sized enterprise company. It's the leader on Internet of Things and the communication protocols and sensor in order to respond to the connectivity requirements of various industrial verticals. In 2016, they win the innovative platform for they win a project, the innovative platform for versatile M2M application project founded by European Union, Frog Priority Axis 1, Research, Technological Development and Innovation, with a total value €1 million. In less than 3 years, based on the innovative platform, Siswin successfully released 4 new Internet of Things solutions developed for smart cities and, most important, precision in agriculture. Cooperation protocol between our university and Siswin Solution was signed in June 2017 and aimed at facilitating the testing of the performance of the monitoring system, SysAgria system, developed by Siswin on the agricultural lands owned and exploited by our university in the research station. The results are being used in research projects and are disseminated at international conferences. This is the SysAgria application, and you can access and use the credential above. Precision, the SysAgria systems monitors and records vital parameters of soil, air, precipitation, and light flow software, and offering the ability to monitor crops anywhere and anytime. Specifically, in the vineyard management which SysAgria wines, you can saving hectares of wines and preserve wine production by preventing frost damage, cost saving and preserved quality by choosing the right time and quality of pesticide, optimized cost of irrigation, up to 30% reduction of cost and number of disease treatment by using just in time, and more efficient disease prevention. Let's see a short movie of system of SysAgria system. I don't know if, okay. Okay, that was the first. This is the second company, TerraSigna, is the Romanian company having main expertise in processing, analysis, and interpretation of optical and radar Earth observation data. The clients are the General National Space Agency, European Space Agency, NSA, and international financial institutions, national public authorities, and private companies. The development direction of TerraSigna are monitoring services based on satellite and in situ data processing for natural hazard risks, urban and wetlands crops, agriculture, forestry, critical infrastructure, CO2 storage areas, marine or oceanic environment, and water quality. They had also web-based application and platforms for data searching, downloading, management, and processing, a big data or data mining analytics tool, and service for EO and linked data access. They are also educational software development, which training session, and complementary ground-based data acquisition sensor for different monitoring application and services. Here we see some image time series from satellite released from TerraSigna company. And our project, which TerraSigna, it's SAR, a campaign support for Sentinel-1 companion satellite. Location of this project is in Marea Domnească Didactic and Research Farm near to Bucharest. And the goal is radar measurements and agricultural crops in order to verify the feasibility of applying special radar techniques in these fields. In the photo, we have some technical data of the pilot station. And the technology leads us to tracking a correlation of radar informations which the measured size in order to extract biophysical information on the fields. Monitor crops' health and productivity by remote sensing methods. And the most important, a tomographic-like imaging is performed, which allow three-dimensional radar image of crops to be obtained under controlled growth conditions throughout the period of the phenological process. And they can investigate the capability to detect the effect of various factors, such as the water content of strains, soil moisture, pest disease. Through this project, Romania becomes the first country to develop in a sustainable and recognized way studies on the possibilities of following and describing crop production and health using special radar technique. In the image, we have the pilot station for radar tomography. The third company is the N10 system. It's an agri-tech company active in the fields of data collection and analysis, offering farmers the essential tools needed to make informed decisions on how best to manage their crops. The goal is optimize the cost and increase the yields. The tool they provide to farmers is Agriculture Sentinel. It's a multi-purpose observation station which is able to orchestrate multiple wired and wireless sensors and actuators which versatile remote communication capabilities of this. So this is a diagram of the antenna of Sentinel system, and in the right side is the position in the fields. These are the technical data of Agriculture Sentinel made by N10. He can up to 2055 sensor wired up to 2000 meter away. Remotely initiated firmware upgraded, end-to-end encryption, plug-and-play sensor installation, and modular design to minimize maintenance effort. N10 cooperate with wide range of companies such as research station for cereal in Fundulea, vegetable research station Buzău, fruit tree research station Mărăcineni, vineyard research station Valea Călugărească, and potato research station in Brașov. And also they cooperated with our university and the agronomic university from Cluj-Napoca. So another project between our university and Romanian Space Agency is GeoFarm project, a core Copernicus infrastructure for a national geospatial advisory system for irrigated perimeters. This project was implementation in 2014-2017 in free pilot area at Marea Domnească Didactical and Research Farm. The consortium was established between Romanian Space Agency, our university, the Institute of Agricultural Economy of the Romanian Academy, and other two companies. The goal of this project was establishing innovative and new Copernicus service capacities for the irrigation water management in that three pilot area what I mentioned. The objectives was the foundation of user community, the Copernicus assisted toolsets, and the validated service scenarios. And the main outcomes was a user community organized around the project toolsets, multi-level tools sets for irrigation, water planning, control and management, and pre-operational services established that provide continuous flow of Copernicus Earth observation based information for the water resources management community in three plot area. Here we have some images which volumetric surface humidity estimated from Landsat and RadarSat 2 data with that project. Thank you for your attention, and if you have some more questions, please do it. And if I don't know all the aspects of that project, I will send you the answer. And thank you for very much. And really, we waiting you in our beautiful campus in Bucharest, and also in our beautiful research station near to Bucharest. Thank you again, and congratulations for the workshop.